where he was sent to custody following a hearing. The Rabon Singh Kharsuka Memorial Committee yesterday observed the 112th death anniversary of Rabon Singh Kharsuka, a well-known writer of the 19th century who has contributed towards the Kharsi literature. To commemorate the death anniversary of the renowned Kharsi author, 2 students who secured highest marks in the subject of Kharsi in bachelor's degree and master's degree were felicitated by the chief guest, Dr. Sylvanus Lamre, principal of St. Edmund's College, and by Ransom Sutinga, Maukhar's assistant Rangba Shnong and NPP candidate of North Shillong constituency. Eldora Lingdo, the great-granddaughter of Rabon Singh Kharsuka, said Kharsuka has written several Kharsi literatures like Ka Kitab Niam Khen Ki Khasi, Ka Kitab Jingpawar, Ka Jingathu Khana Puriskam, Folktale 1908. Babu Rabon was also a regular contributor to Kharsi newspaper like Unang Apira 1905 onwards, Ka Kot Khubor Khasi, Unangilam Catholic, etc., where his articles and poems appeared frequently, she informed.
In remembrance of his contribution towards literature, towards his contribution towards the philosophy of Kharsi, and also towards the fiction and many other things which he has contributed through his books. These books will give us the foundation in which we as the Kharsi tribe will be able to understand more about our traditions.
The book titled Swami Vivekananda and